How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the indicator on Alfa Romeo 147. As you can see right here, there's a bunch of condensation collected inside. The indicator on the left side is even worse, it has a bunch of water collected. Now, if you are looking to just replace the bulb, the process is fairly simple. All you gotta do is twist off the bulb housing just like this, and the cable is actually long enough so that you don't have to get under the car. Now, to remove the bulb out of the housing, all you gotta do is push it in and twist it off. If you are looking to remove the indicator altogether like I am today, you got three clips to pay attention to. Here's the plastic one on the left, and there are two metal ones on the right side, which are the two that we are interested in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press it one by one and gently push out the indicator. Just like this. Now the indicator is free. I'm gonna go to the other side so it doesn't fall down, and here it is. It's pretty much as simple as that. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.